climbing. It's climbing. Look at this. It's climbing. In the last hour. Wow. All the kids are going back to school, and the price of Bitcoin is climbing. It's up $100 in the last hour. Look at this. Getting an alert. I mean, who can sleep when Bitcoin is trading 24 hours a day, right? It's absolutely crazy. It's absolutely crazy. Have you guys used different tools to watch the price of Bitcoin and all the other altcoins? Because there is a tool that I use. You go to Rich TV Live, the one-stop shop for everything Bitcoin, stocks, cryptocurrencies, you name it, sports. It's a one-stop shop, guys. You just go to Rich TV Live, and then you just click on the link. You click on the link that says Trading View. The Trading View link. For some reason, you can't see it right now. My lighting's not doing the job. But yeah, you go to Trading View, and Trading View looks like this. This is what Trading View looks like. Okay? Now, this is Litecoin. As you can see, since April, we've seen the move in Litecoin go from $10 all the way to as high as $90 on Litecoin. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. And you can also see with Bitcoin, we've been as high as $4,900. And we've been as low as $1,000 in April. From as low as $1,000 in April to a high of almost $5,000. That is absolutely incredible. It's incredible. So these are the types of moves that we talk about here on Rich TV Live that I want to bring to your attention, because I don't think you guys really understand what is happening here in the marketplace. I don't think you really are comprehending the opportunities that we have here right now. As investors, let's take a look at Ripple. Ripple has been as high as 40 cents. Currently, right now, it is trading at 20 cents. And we've seen it start even lower than that. So, Ripple is underperformed compared to most of the top coins in cryptocurrencies. And once again, we look at Litecoin, and Litecoin has performed extremely well. And let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum started off the year as low as in April. We'll go back to April again. It was at $45. Today, Ethereum is trading at $298. But it's been as high as $400. Let's try to zoom in this for you guys so you guys can see a little bit better. All right. Oops. Why is this like this? Oh, because I zoomed in too much. There we go. And let's try to do a chart that's not, let's do a 1-day chart. Let's move to the 1-day charts. And yeah, we'll stick to the 1-day. Stick to the 1-day chart. So as you can see with Litecoin, it's been a roller coaster ride. Okay? You can see that it's been as high as 70. What is that? 77 dollars. It's been as high as $77, but it's also been as low as 60. What? How low did it go? $62. It's been as high as 77, as low as 62. Currently trading at 69, but look at the way it's climbing. Right now, everything is climbing just in time for all the kiddies to go back to school. And it's funny because the market always seems to go up in cryptocurrencies right when, because yesterday was a holiday, it wasn't a real day in the markets. So right when the markets are opening after the weekend, I always see this trend in the 1-hour chart where Bitcoin always seems to start to climb. And on the weekends, you'll see that it goes down. And then on the weekdays, you'll see that it goes up. Not every weekend, but there's a good amount of weekends where you see that the price is going to go down. And then during the week, you're typically going to see the price is going to go up because a lot of investors are buying it. And a lot of traders on the weekend are selling it. And I know this because I talk to a lot of traders that tell me this. What's up, Ron? How you doing today, buddy? It feels like Monday because yesterday was a holiday. So today feels like Monday after the Labor Day weekend. And the price of Bitcoin has been climbing. And it went down as low as $4,200, and as you can see right now, it's at $4,325. I've been watching it climb, and it's just very interesting how it seems to climb. Right for today, I consider like a Monday, right for the market open, it seems to climb. Ethel Maitel, how are you? You're asking about Control Finance. Control Finance has been amazing. It's been absolutely amazing. I can't complain about Control Finance, to be honest with you. It's been absolutely perfect. It's been the one platform that has been perfect this entire time. I don't know why I'm not able to go into my account. There we go. Recovery, navigating the madness. Well, I think that China is always going to be in their own little world as far as how they want to operate. Here's my Control Finance account. I started with $300. I'm now up to $505. The thing I like about Control Finance is that I get paid every single day. And if you go to transactions and you click on transactions, every day I'm getting a payment. I can't really see this probably. I don't know why this is not able to be seen properly. But my interest is $5. $5.49 a day right now. Can't really see it for some reason with this lighting. Really weird. But yeah, it's paying me every single day. And my interest is growing every single day. And yeah, I couldn't be any happier with Control Finance, to be quite honest with you. It's been the perfect investment. Look at these numbers. I mean, it's almost hard to believe, but 54,000 clients in like 2 months and $113 million raised. So I don't know what to say about that other than these guys are just on fire. And I kind of wish I put more money in, and I'm thinking about putting more money in because they keep paying me. But I told myself I'm just going to start small on all of these platforms and just see where it goes. And my Bitconnect has been nothing short of a dream come true. And my Genesis has been incredible. So Genesis has been good. Control Finance has been good. And Bitconnect, let's take a look at Bitconnect. I mean, Control Finance, what could you ask for? Bitconnect. I've already made 100% of my money back already on Control Finance.
What's up, man? Rich, you doing all right today?
Oh, man, I'm doing... Yeah, if you guys want to get any information, you just got to go to Rich TV Live. It's a one-stop shop for everything. Affiliate links, Bitcoin-related, news, stocks, trading, charts. It's a one-stop shop. So you guys need to definitely go there if you want to. If you guys want to get rolling in cryptocurrencies, business, stocks, sports. Rich TV Live, man. It's one-stop shop, guys. You don't need to go anywhere else. I got all the affiliate links there. And if you're looking for new programs, I got so many programs all the time that I'm finding. Take a look at MCAP. It's my new program that I just started on. And they have referral links. This is my Bitconnect. For some reason, I don't know why. You can't see it. It's so weird. But my account's doing pretty well. I'm at $4,180. And if you can kind of see it. It's really weird why you can't see it. But yeah, I'm at $4,180. And I started with $130. And that was exactly a month ago today. Exactly a month ago today, I started with $130. And now I'm up to $4,180. Yesterday, I made $180 in investments, just reinvestments. It's like making about $200 a day right now, and I'm just putting it back in, just putting it back in, just putting it back in. And my goal is to have it at $100,000 by Christmas, without putting any of my own money back. Just reinvestments, just reinvestments. This is Bitconnect. I mean, they have their own coin. It's at $124. So that's pretty amazing. And there's another company called MCAP, MCAP, that has a program where they have an affiliate program and they have a coin. And they're at $2.45, I believe. And they have a pretty cool platform. And I have a description down below if you guys would like to join. And I would love to have you guys be a part of the dream team. And my goal here on Rich TV Live is to be on top of all the new platforms as they become available. And I'm not afraid of taking risks and trying new platforms, but I am afraid of losing money. So I'm testing a lot of programs with small amounts. Similar to what I did with Bitconnect, I started really small, $130. And now it's up to $4,180 in 1 month. I started Control Finance with $300, and in a month on Control Finance, I've turned $300 already into $600. Pulled out $90. I have $505 in my active account on Control Finance. On Genesis, I started with $1,375. I've made about $800 back so far on Genesis in about 6 weeks. So those have been my three that I've actually invested in, and I haven't invested that much. Invested about $2,000 collectively in everything, and I've already made back, well, I've got $4,000 in my active investments here, and I've made back $623. Started with $130, and I've invested a total of $4,180. 180, which I will get back all of that from Bitconnect. I will be getting all my Bitconnect investments back. Let's blow this up. So if I get any more investments live right now, I can show them to you guys. But yeah, I have $4,180 in my active lending, and I've made $623 so far in interest. And I started with 130, and that's in 1 month. It's in 1 month. You are from India. Very nice. Yeah, I'm loving Control Finance. I would love for you to be a part of my team. And I'm loving Bitconnect. I'd love for you to join my team there. I'm loving Genesis. And if you take a look at the referral links below in the description, I have all the programs that I'm involved with there. And what I want to do with people that want to join the Dream Team, join my team and our team here on Rich TV Live, is I want you to give me your videos. I will post your videos and we can build your team, our team together. That's what I want to do. And I want to grow with you, the people. And I just want to help the people create freedom. I want freedom. I'm a freedom fighter. And I just want to help the people create freedom and show you guys the truth about what's working, what is not. There's a lot of people trying to grow YouTube channels by calling things a scam. And then some of them are even joining Bitconnect now, which I find interesting. And I like it. Yo, what's up, Master Crypto Skrilla? You know we hodl all the coins, man. I just accumulate. I collaborate, and I appreciate all of you guys. Without you guys, none of this is possible. I love you guys. I love YouTube. And it's changed my life. Like, I started on Bitconnect with $130, and it's been 1 month to the day. And now I have $4,180 American, and I'm in Canada, and I owe it all to the people. I owe it all to the people. Started with $130. What's up, Nathaniel? What is up? What is up, Les Tet? Good morning, Vancouver. Any buys I'm considering? I'm seeing good opportunities all over the board, is asking Ron. Yeah, I mean, everything is a buy right now. Obviously, everything is a buy. Let's take a look at the mothership, which is currently at $4,364 and climbing. Live on Rich TV Live, and that's what we do here. We bring you guys the news before anybody else. I couldn't sleep. I was too excited. Kids are starting school. Summer's over. And now we on our grind. We on the grind. It's true. We on the grind, people. We on the grind. Summer's done, man. Not officially. There's still a couple weeks left, but that's Labor Day. It's done. It's over. So now, what's the next big holiday? Christmas. Thanksgiving's coming, yeah. But Christmas is around the corner. I'm already thinking about booking my next trip to the Dominican Republic. I am. And I'm thinking about buying it with Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin has taken over the world. Have you not heard? Bitcoin has taken over the world. It's true. Cryptocurrencies has taken over the world. It's true. Cryptocurrencies have taken over the world. And the question is, how are you getting involved? What piece of the pie are you picking up? You know I'm always accumulating. Accumulate. Because we're accumulation nation. I haven't even sold any cryptocurrencies yet. I haven't sold a single cryptocurrency. Not one. I'm just accumulating. I'm just accumulating. All the time. Consistently. At any price. Honestly, that's the truth. You guys want to know the truth. I'm just accumulating. How could you not accumulate? Look at this. Look at Litecoin moving up. Love Litecoin. Let's take a look at Ethereum. So if you take a look at the price of Ethereum, you could see that with all of these coins, they all trade similarly. So as you can see, it was much higher at like $370. And like, look at this crazy fall. Went all the way down to $270. It was $370 a few days ago. Today's the 5th. Yesterday was the 4th. Around the 3rd, it was at $370. Came all the way down to $270. Wow. Earlier today, and now it's climbing up to $302. This is Ethereum. Now, I love Ethereum because Ethereum is one of the platforms that all the other platforms are running off of their platform. Okay? Ethereum will allow you to create a coin. They will allow you to join an exchange. They will allow you to create your ICO through their platform. So Ethereum is the future. And I want people to understand what Ethereum really is. Whereas Bitcoin is just a coin that people are utilizing to make transactions, and it's the most adopted coin, Ethereum is the coin that everybody's using to run their smart contracts, to operate their platform through. They're running their platforms on Ethereum. Understand this, people. So everybody that's doing these ICOs, and there's a lot of them opening up, even though they just got banned and they're illegal in China, Ethereum, anytime someone is going public, the majority of them are doing it through the Ethereum platform. Understand this. Some people are using Waves. Some people are using Ethereum. Some people are using EOS. There's different platforms that you are running through the blockchain. Okay? I need you guys to understand this. Really want you guys to understand what is happening here. Okay? This is a revolution in digital currency. And some governments are going to be more aggressive with it. Some are going to be less aggressive with it. Some of them are going to like it. Some are not going to like it. At the end of the day, this is an opportunity of a lifetime. And you guys really have to understand what is happening here. This is not just like a one-day event. This is a global event that is occurring. And this is a new digital currency that is being adopted on a mainstream level, on a global level. And it's just starting to get more and more adopted every single day. Okay? So you guys really have to understand what is happening here. And you need to get a piece of the pie. Bitconnect, Control Finance, Digitrade, Genesis, Avalon, Wired Coins, Future Coin, MCAP. This is just the beginning. Like, I don't think you guys really understand truly what is happening. I just don't think you get it. I jumped into this with 2 feet as we watched this climb. Now at 43.67, it is climbing, people. There's no joke here. This is climbing. How high will it go? Everybody's waking up. Kiddies are going back to school. School should be starting on the East Coast right in any minute, like 9 minutes. Told you guys it's going up. It's climbing. I told you guys it was the mothership. Wow. Interest is 1.92 tomorrow on Bitconnect. Wow. What's their interest today, Nathaniel? Because I saw 1.76, which was pretty good. That was the last day I looked. Master Crypto Skrilla, man, hook me up with a Rich TV Live song, bro. I'll play it every single day. Make me a video. I'll play that. I'll send me a video, like a cool video like you made, and I'll put it on Rich TV Live, and let's blow up the spot, bro. I'll introduce you to a bunch of YouTubers. You can make them songs. Let's blow this up, Master Crypto Skrilla. I'm all about collaboration. Oh, 0% today? That's harsh. I guess if you get 0% one day and then 1.92% the next day, it's almost 1% in 2 days. So, look at this climbing, the mothership. Green is buying, red is selling. So, the mothership is crazy. It's the mothership, the coin that all the other coins are measured against, yet it's 8 times slower than Bitcoin Cash. How do you explain that? As the mothership climbs. It was pretty cool because I was downtown in downtown Vancouver with my buddy and his children and one of his friends, and we were eating some dinner and having some ice cream. And right next door was a restaurant, and it said, "We accept Bitcoin." And I said, wow, I love this new world. Love the new world. Do you love the new world? Because this is the world of digital currency. And you need to accumulate as much of the digital currency as you can get. And the more good digital currencies you have, the better. And when I first started, I bought a Bitcoin and then I transferred it and bought Litecoin, Unity and got UNY, and BitShares. Now I'm happy with my investment, but if I could have done it again, I would have just had Bitcoin. So that's what I've learned in trading cryptocurrencies in the last 3 months. Why would I invest in the altcoins when I could just invest in Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the mothership. It is the superior coin. So now what I've started to do is I'm just accumulating the best coins. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, and I want to accumulate Neo, Dash. Oh, I'm also accumulating Monero, which I'm mining through Genesis. So it's been an evolution in cryptocurrencies. It started thinking, let me go after the altcoins, and now I'm more interested in the big coins. Wow, watch it drop. Watch it drop. Oh my goodness. Look at the drop. Look how quickly it's dropping too. Massive drop right there. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. 43.34. Massive drop. literally you could just watch the coin trade. And you can get an idea of how it's going to trade based on the last hour of how it's traded. This is the hourly chart. You can also do a daily chart. You can do a 3-hour chart. You can do a 10-minute chart if you want to see the last 10 minutes. Look at this drop. Look at the drop. This is the last 10 minutes. Right down. So this is a 10-minute chart now. This is the 10-minute chart. So there's a lot of different charts you can look at when you're educating yourself. And everybody says, how do I buy Bitcoin? How do I get into Bitconnect? Well, in order to get into Bitconnect, you have to have Bitcoin. And you have to have Bitconnect coin, which you have to convert from Bitcoin, or you have to purchase from an exchange and then transfer from that exchange into Bitconnect. Nathaniel Park said, I love the new world. New money in, old money out. And I agree. That's what the new world is. The new world is old money out, new money in, and the new money is being created out of thin air through digital currency. Thin air. Using the internet. And companies and concepts and ideas and platforms. Take a business like the NFL. Take the NFL, which is a business, okay, and you take the NFL and then you give it a coin. Take a concept, give it a coin, put it together. Now you've got digital currency. It's created 100 and let's see, what's the market cap right now? Let's see the market cap. Market cap. The market cap is $149 million. $149 billion is their market cap. Let's scroll down. As you can see, the price of Bitcoin is at $4,320. The price of Ethereum is at $305. The price of Bitcoin Cash is at $538. The price of Ripple is at 21 cents. Let's make this smaller so we can see it. So the price of Litecoin is at 69 cents, up 4%. The price of NEM is at 28 cents, up 3%. The price of Dash is at $315, down 1.5%. Excuse me, Monero is at $111, up 1.7%. They were at $90 yesterday. What a buying opportunity on Monero. IOTA is at 58 cents, up 7%. So a lot of these coins are making a comeback. They went down dramatically yesterday. NEO was down to 18, now back to 22. So yesterday was definitely a buying opportunity, but we didn't know how low it was going to go. So didn't want to tell everyone it was a buying opportunity without knowing how the market was going to react. But clearly the market has bounced back here, which is a great sign. Great sign. So that's what's going on in the markets right now. We can see that the market is stabilizing. OMG is up 18%. NEO is up 16%. OMG is up 18%. So yesterday was definitely signaling a buying opportunity. No doubt about that. Look at this. As we speak, the price of Ethereum is climbing, now up to $304. This spike up is happening as everybody on the East Coast is waking up. It's still 5:30 a.m. Pacific time on the West Coast. So people are slowly starting to wake up on the West Coast, and people on the East Coast already have their children at school for the first day of school. It's the first day of school for all the kids. Some of your kids started sooner, I know. But for the most part, I know my kids are starting school today. So it's the first day of school, and this is kind of like the real beginning of the fall. And summer's kind of over. All the vacation time is over, and everybody has to go back to work today. So it's kind of one of those days where it's like, oh, everyone's getting back to work, and a lot of people don't like that, but a lot of people do because kids are going back to school, so it's kind of cool. So a lot of cool things to look forward to today. I was up super early, so I thought might as well just go live, talk about the price of Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the mothership again. Look at it right there. $4,343. Wow. In fact, let's put some music on here.
Are you listening? Damn.
I'll give you guys some do or die time because the market's open. It's do or die time. I'll leave this to you guys. Make myself some tea. Getting the day started. What's up, round bottoms? Yeah, man. I got up early. I went to bed like super early. Then I woke up super early. And then I go live. How it happens. It's true. It's a true story. I'm making myself some tea right now. It's only 5:30 in the morning where I am. And cryptocurrencies is 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And the stock market's going to open up in an hour. So I'll be looking at the markets too. Yeah, 1.92% interest tomorrow on Bitconnect is going to be really nice. But today's interest is going to suck. So, that's what's up right now. Let's take a look at the trading view. What is another symbol I like to add to my watch list? Let's add Facebook. And let's add Amazon. And let's add Snap. These are all the stocks that I own and I like to watch every day. And let's add. This is TradingView, guys. You can find it on Rich TV Live under the stock section. You can actually look at stocks. You can look at cryptocurrencies. I love it. It's a great platform. And it's how I watch all of my stocks every day and cryptocurrencies together in one platform. And which cryptos do we want to look at? We want to look at Monero. Look at this. Monero is at $110. And this is how it's traded over the last few days. Been as high as $130. You can see it was at $130. Went as low as $90. And now it's up at $110 as we speak. And Monero is one of the cards that I really like. It's like a Visa card, and for cryptocurrencies. And you know what? I'm thinking I gotta get one. That's how I really get to know it. Yeah, I think people are off from holidays and they're back to buying for sure. And I think the stock market, you're gonna see that in the stock market as well. Expect that, round bottoms. Expect that you'll see that in the stock market today as well. Well, you know what? I must leave you with Ripple. You want to look at some Ripple? How about Ripple? Let's take a look at some Ripple. Ripple's at 21 cents. Nothing like a nice tea to get you started in the morning. I really like Ripple. I do. I think it has huge potential. There's too many coins out. 38 billion. That's why the coin doesn't go up. But I like it a lot. As you can see, all the coins are climbing, guys, all at the same time as the market opens. And when I mean the market, I mean the American stock market. The real market that is being circulated all over the world and has more trading than any other market in the world. The NASDAQ, the New York Stock Exchange, the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, the real markets. Not that we don't have nice markets in Canada. They're nice. They're nice. But it's not the NASDAQ. All right. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on TradingView. As you can see, it is climbing. $4,259. From $4,700 2 days ago, all the way down. Oops. at how dramatically it came down. Looking at all the trading. Look at all the trading. See all the trading? The trading? The way it's traded. All the way down, then all the way up. It's interesting. Patterns. Like studying the patterns. And getting to feel it. Up, down. Down, up. See the trading? I'm literally going through the entire trading pattern right now. Down, up, down, 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 down. That's as low as it went. Wow, it hit 3,900. I had no idea it hit 3,900. Wow. So there was some good opportunities to buy it at 3,900. If you bought it at 3,900, wow, it was at 3,900. I can't believe it. 3,900 was the buying opportunity for sure. Wow, if you could have picked it up at 3,900 and right now it's at 4,270, incredible. Look at this. Put another line here. Down here. Look at how it just went all the way down. Look at this line I drew all the way down here. And then I drew another line from here to here. It's a pretty hard drop. It went all the way down to 38.88. Okay. So that was the buying opportunity. And since then, look at the way it skyrocketed. It came back down and skyrocketed again. So it really caught my attention when I woke up and I looked at it and I was like, wow, this thing is skyrocketing. It came up with a lot of power. Started really slow, but it's come up with a lot of power. Lots of power. So I believe this is going to continue. I think it will continue to go up. And I can't believe how low it went. I wasn't aware of the fact it went this low. I didn't know it hit 3,800. That would have been the buying opportunity right there. That would have been an incredible buying opportunity. And let's look at Litecoin again. Litecoin, once again, is at $70. Seems to be climbing as well. They all seem to have this chart. And let's look at Monero. Once again, same chart, guys. Notice the same chart. And let's look at Ethereum. Same chart. All have the same chart. Went down, hit a bottom, came back up together simultaneously. When we were looking at this earlier, it was at 304. We just hit 305. It's come back down now. But 305. So we're going to 305 here on Ethereum right now. It's climbing. Look at this. Straight arrow up. Straight arrow up. I'd like to do another deposit on Bitconnect. I just don't know if I'll be able to. Nice, Dave. Round bottoms made a nice 50% on Neo. Good hit, buddy. And now you're on Lisk. Looking at the chart you just sent. Lisk, LSK. Let's take a look at Lisk. LSK. Same chart. Lisk is at $6.06, but look at the same chart. You guys see they all have the same chart. They're all moving up together. All these coins are following the mothership. The mothership being Bitcoin. Whatever Bitcoin does, they do. Bitcoin goes up, they go up. Bitcoin goes down, they go down. Just the way it goes. Yeah, I think Ethereum will run. I think Ethereum is the future. And I think Ethereum may eventually pass Bitcoin. And Litecoin may one day pass Bitcoin. I honestly believe that. I believe that Litecoin has a great platform where they are becoming the coin for merchants. And they want to be utilized and accepted everywhere. And I think Ethereum has a great platform where they are the platform for people to set up their coin, create a coin, do an ICO, run their platform, run smart contracts. So I think Ethereum is in the right place. I think Litecoin is in the right place. And obviously Bitcoin being the first was definitely in the right place. Monero is falling now to 601. Or sorry, Lisk is falling now to 601. Oh, back to 607. Interesting the way it's jumping. $601. Jumping $5. Interesting trading. Very interesting trading in Lisk. 607. Oh, we're going under 6? Let's look at the mothership. $4,331. The stock market is opening up in 45 minutes. Kiddies are back to school on the East Coast. Kids are going to go to school in a couple hours here on the West Coast. Summer vacation is over. But Bitcoin never goes on vacation. The question is, how are you taking advantage of the digital revolution? How are you benefiting from these moves? Are you diversified? Are you buying coins? Are you in Bitconnect? Are you into Genesis mining? Are you mining? Do you got an S9? Are you mining at home? Are you buying cryptocurrency stocks like GBTC? Or are you like one of the investors here in Vancouver that just put his house up for sale and he said, all I want to accept is Bitcoin? It's becoming mainstream as it now tanks under 4,300. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Look at the red. The red is the selling and the green is the buying. So as you can see, there's a lot more selling than buying. It's very interesting the way it trades. They get dumped or there's a bunch of buying that comes in. It's either a bunch of buying that comes in or it's just a bunch of dumping. Yeah, yesterday was the day to buy, for sure. If you were ready to buy, yesterday was the day to buy. But based on some of the news that came out of China, I was a little bit hesitant. because I wanted to see how the market was going to respond. But it's nice to see the market is responding well. Lisk is at a resistance, has to break. Why do you like Lisk? What is it about Lisk that you like? Out of all the coins, why are you buying Lisk? Wow, look at it tank. Oh my goodness, it's tanking. It just tanked $50. Look at all the red, look at all the selling. And then look at all the green, the buying. Wow. And it just went up. And then it went down. It's crazy. The way it's trading. It's trading really, really aggressively right now. It's like a war. It's like a war. This is the 10-minute chart. So you can see it's definitely down right now. I like to look at the 10-minute chart because if I'm buying, I like to kind of know how it's acting and reacting right now. Sometimes it's good to look at the 1-hour chart. You can look at the 1-hour chart. As you can see, look at the 1-hour chart. Right down on the 1-hour chart. The 10-minute chart doesn't look so bad, but the 1-hour chart looks really bad. It looks really bad. Yeah, we started early today. I'm going live. People are messaging me live. Yeah, we have an app, guys, and the app is on Google Play and the Apple Store. It's Rich TV Live. And please, guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to Rich TV Live on YouTube. And if you haven't gone to the website yet, please go to www.richtvlive.com. And we are a one-stop shop for cryptocurrencies, stocks. We are affiliates for investing.com. We are affiliates for Bitconnect, Genesis, Control Finance, Wired Coins, Future Coin, Avalon, which is another mining platform, which has their own coin, MCAP, which is another platform for investing, and it also has an affiliate program. And they also have a coin, which is at $3.45 last time I looked. Vozix is another mining platform, which I have an affiliate agreement with. Shopify, if you want to open up your own online store, Shopify is a great platform. We also have an affiliate agreement with them. And USI Tech, which is another platform which I really like, been around for years, very reliable, good company. We definitely have an affiliate, and it's all within the description down below of the video. We have a blog on Steemit. So please, if you haven't already, go and visit our Steemit. If you upvote my post, I'll upvote your post. If you re-steam my post, I'll re-steam your post. And let's work together. Let's work together, people. And that's the beauty of cryptocurrencies. It's allowing people to work together and have benefit, mutual benefit, through referrals and affiliate links. This is the affiliate marketing genre. And I've only been doing it for about a month, and it's already changed my life. It has already changed my life, and I love it, and I feel very fortunate to be a part of it, and I'm just excited to be a part of this industry. What's up, Jermaine? Yeah, everything is rebounding today. Yesterday was a selling day, great buying opportunity. Today is a buying day. A lot of the coins and cryptocurrencies are bouncing back from those lows, which was triggered because China announced that they are now making all ICOs illegal, which crushed the markets. As you can see, that Bitcoin is in a fight of its life right now, trying to stay up, but getting a lot of selling pressure in the last hour, as you can see here. A lot of selling pressure. But the 10-minute chart doesn't look as bad. If you look at the 10-minute chart, see the 10-minute chart? It doesn't look as bad. You can see it's starting to create a floor, bouncing back, creating a floor. I believe this will come back up based on this 10-minute chart. I think we should see it go back up to 4,300. But I might be wrong. This might be finding a floor and it might go down, or it might find a floor and then go back up. It was just at 4,300. And now it's falling. What are you guys up to? What did you guys do this weekend? Did you guys do anything cool on your weekend? Anybody do anything fun? Anybody planning any trips now that summer's over? Are you guys planning trips for your winters? I'm already thinking about my next trip. Oh, look at this. As I said I believe it's going to go up. There's a spike right up, right there. Let's see if this continues. We need some winning music. This is bitcointicker.co. Oh, was I right or what? 42.90. Look at the spike up. Look at all the green, which is buying. I literally just watch the Bitcoin ticker. Literally just watch it. It's the greatest show on earth. Later, round bottoms. We'll see you soon. Jermaine, where you going, bro? You're leaving to go where? Are you going to the Dominican Republic? Jamaica? I predict you're going to Jamaica. You're going to say Jamaica, right? Or are you going to the DR? $42.61. $42.81. Here it is. Interesting trading. Where you going, Jermaine? Jamaica! I called it! I knew it! See that? You see that? That's instinct, bro. I know where your heart's at. Even though I told you got it. Montego Bay. I was going to say Montego Bay, man. Rio, Montego Bay. That'll be amazing, man. Make some videos for Rich TV Live from Jamaica. Can you do that for me? Make some videos from Jamaica for Rich TV Live, bro. With some beautiful women, beautiful men, and women and children and senior citizens of all ages. Beautiful people. Jermaine, I know you could do it. I can count on you. You know you're going to roll to the club. Yeah, man. That's going to be awesome, man. I'm so happy. Jamaica's beautiful. I haven't been there. I've seen so many pictures of so many friends that go there all the time. And I really want to go. It's on my list. I haven't gone yet, and I really want to go. So have a great trip, man. When you going? When are you going, man? Next month? Yeah, I'm planning a trip to the Dominican Republic soon, so just trying to figure out when. I need to go. It's been a long time coming. Long time coming. Let's take a look at some. Oh, wow, Lisk is falling. Lisk is now at $5.82. Wow. Big drop there. $5.81. Let's look at Monero at $110 right now. Monero is at $110. And I want to look at one-day charts. Let's look at one-day charts. And let's look at Ripple, currently at 21 cents. So they all were making their run. They're seemingly falling off a little bit right now. And Litecoin coming back down to earth. I had a jump, then it's coming back down. And the thing I like about TradingView is I can just go right to stock twits. And I can just say I'm bullish on this and post it everywhere. Share it. Which I think is pretty cool. I really like that. And just go back, and because I like Litecoin, even at these prices at $68, $69, I really like it. I've been buying it at 40, so I can't buy it at these prices, but I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so I'm definitely accumulating right now Ethereum and Bitcoin at Coinbase because I own a big portion of my portfolio is Litecoin right now. So I'm just kind of focusing on accumulating Ethereum and Bitcoin right now so that I can kind of have a little bit more of a balanced portfolio. And I want to kind of see what happens with Litecoin. If it's going to go lower, if it's going to go higher. I believe it can go higher, but I also think it can go lower. And because I was buying it at 40, I can't justify buying it at 70 right now. Just can't. It's hard for me to. But I can buy Bitcoin and Ethereum because I was buying Litecoin first at a lower price, and I wasn't buying Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I feel okay to buy those ones, even at a higher price, because I wasn't accumulating those ones. I was accumulating Litecoin first because it was the cheapest. Oh, October 16th. 6 weeks away, bro. It's going to be a good one, man. It's going to be a good one. And let's take a look at what else. What else do we got? Let's take a look at Bitcoin. And Ethereum. I can see Ethereum been as high as $350 in the last 24 hours. Look at that. $350. Came all the way down to as low as 270. Sorry, this is in the last couple of days. I don't know why it's not showing me the one-day chart. Let's do the one-day chart. Yeah, this is the one-day chart. In the last day, it's been as high as 350 and as low as 270. It's pretty crazy. And right now it's at 302. It's pretty crazy. It has some serious volatility. So if you're to buy it and you've seen it at 350 and 270, where would you put your bid, your price? I'd put mine around 270. I don't want to buy it here. That's their average, their moving average. They're right at their moving average right now. The average price of the day. Okay? This is the low of the day, 270. This is the high of the day, 350. I want to buy it at the low of the day. I want to always buy at the low of the day. I want to put my bid as low as humanly possible so as to get the best human price. The best possible price. You don't want to buy it here. And you don't want to buy it here. You want to buy it here. The lower you buy it, the more money you make. It's just the way it goes in the markets, guys. Buy low, sell high. Buy in the red, sell in the green. Yesterday was in the red. That was the buying opportunity. Now, If you bought yesterday, congratulations. But I was suggesting maybe stay another day, see how the market responds, see how it reacts, see how it adjusts to this news that China is making all of the ICOs illegal. Now, another piece of news that's coming out is that Russia has officially claiming that their central bank has approved the first cryptocurrency exchange. So, bad news yesterday about ICOs in China. Huge news today that the bank in Russia the central bank has just approved the first cryptocurrency exchange. This is huge news. So, while one country is saying this is not good, another country is saying we love it. So, it's going to even out. It's just news. Let's read this. So this was broken by the Deputy Prime Minister of Russia, Yuri Trutnev. Russia seems to be getting extremely close to legalizing and regulating cryptocurrencies within the region. Wow, Ethereum is falling. Look at the mothership. Let me read this. This was broken by Bitcoin.com. Russia Deputy Finance Minister Alexei Morseev proposed Bitcoin's regulation and the possibility of a digital assets being listed on Moscow's stock exchange. Wow. Now the country's Deputy Prime Minister Yuri Trutnev claims the Russian Federation Central Bank has approved the first cryptocurrency trading platform for private investors. We are considering the possibility of creating a platform for trading with cryptocurrencies. The central bank has supported us, explains Trutnev's interview with further details. The system, Voshkod, was the first in the country to receive the right to work with cryptocurrencies. In Trutnev's last interview, the Russian Deputy Prime Minister also spoke about Bitcoin mining and the possibility of partnerships with the country's energy sector. This follows the recent news of two of the nation's energy companies, Evrosenergo and Gazprom, possibly partnering with the local Bitcoin miners. Trutnev details there is an abundance of electricity in particular regions within the nation. This could help the mining industry a great deal. Trutnev explains currently, energy companies have a hard time distributing the excess electricity. There are regions where there is an overabundance of energy, both here and in Siberia, Trutnev details. There is no way to redistribute this surplus to other regions, so you can create companies that will thus dispose of unconnected volumes of electricity, and people will be able to earn on this. Wow. With the latest developments in the country, Bitcoin just might be a legal form of payment in Russia after all the years of politicians being against cryptocurrencies. Senior government officials are clearly drawing up some sort of framework for the technology. It's just a matter of when they decide to announce some formal legislation officially. Wow! What do you think about Russia's central bank approving a cryptocurrency trading platform for private investors? Huge news, guys. I think this is huge news. What do you guys think? I think this is massive. Wow, there's some huge news in cryptocurrencies right now. Wow. Check this out. More big news. Wow. Star Group network upgrades bringing Bitcoin to 2,900 Australian ATMs. The second largest independent ATM deployer in Australia, Star Group, has signed a joint venture agreement with blockchain payment system solutions company Digital X to convert their existing ATMs into Bitcoin ATMs. Wow. BTMs they're called now. Not ATMs, BTMs. The agreement is for Star Group's entire global network, starting with Australia, where it has deployed over 500 ATMs and manages 2,400 more via its subsidiary, Starlink. Wow. Australia also introduces a bill that regulates Bitcoin exchanges. Digital X Limited has signed a joint venture agreement with Perth-based Star Group Limited. The two companies will jointly offer tailor a two-way ATM solution for buying and selling Bitcoins, they announced on Monday. Wow. Under the agreement, Star Group will develop software for their ATMs that allows users to buy and sell Bitcoin. Digital X will develop an API to facilitate Bitcoin's transactions using this software. The two companies will share in the transaction fees charged at the ATMs. Star Group is pleased to partner with Digital X on the project and leverage its unique ownership of its ATM manufacturer to develop a two-way ATM where a Bitcoin owner can not only buy Bitcoin, but more importantly, can cash their Bitcoins out, said CEO Todd Zani commented. The development may also be able to be applied to other cryptocurrencies and be distributed internationally. In May, Star Group reported that it had become the number 2 independent ATM deployer in Australia, second only to DC Payments Limited. The third largest is Next Payments, followed by Cash Connect, Bendigo Bank, and Suncorp. Star Group ATM Network. Star Group is the only ASX listed company deploying ATM machines in Australia, according to the company's website. Wow. The joint venture agreement is for the entire global network of Star Group ATMs, with the initial roadmap to focus on Australia. Within Australia, Star Group has deployed approximately 500 ATMs in Star Payments and manages approximately 2,400 ATMs via Starlink. Starlink is the company's wholly owned subsidiary. Star Group also has a direct ownership interest in Neo ICP Korea Inc., a Korean ATM manufacturer. Neo ICP Korea has approximately 16,000 ATMs and back office machines in South Korea, bringing the total number of ATMs managed approaching 19,000, according to the announcement. Currently, there are fewer than 20 ATMs in Australia that can facilitate Bitcoin transactions, the group described, adding that their fees range from 4% to 8% of the transaction value. Wow, they're making a kill. Additionally, most of them are one-way ATMs, so users can only buy Bitcoin but cannot cash them out. Coin ATM Radar, a website that tracks locations of Bitcoin ATMs, lists only 16 BTMs in Australia. Wow. Some amazing news. Coin ATM Radar. That's pretty cool. Guys, Rich TV Live is a one-stop shop where we have everything Bitcoin. Everything is there. Everything is there. All the affiliate links are there. Everything is there.
What's up, man?
Larry Leonard, saving people, helping people, making a difference with Teshwater. Go to teshwater.com, and they're donating water to disaster relief for Hurricane Harvey. Unbelievable, guys. Not just making money, but making a difference, people.
Grateful to be able to come.
Let's take a look at Ethereum, currently at $302 on TradingView. And let's look at the mothership, currently at $4,269. So yeah, the news in cryptocurrencies is pretty just unbelievable right now. So Bank of Russia is considering it premature to permit digital currencies, warns of ICO risks. It's an interesting article. Let's take a look at this. The Bank of Russia has issued a statement warning about the risks of digital currencies, including Bitcoin as well as initial coin offerings, ICOs. The central bank says it is premature to allow the circulation and use of cryptocurrencies within the financial infrastructure of Russia. The Central Bank of Russia issued an official statement on Monday regarding digital currencies. The bank's press release states that operations with cryptocurrencies carry high risks both during exchange operations, including due to sharp exchange rate fluctuations, and in case of raising funds through the ICO initial coin offering, a form of attracting citizens' investments in the form of issuing and selling new cryptocurrency to investors' tokens. There are technological risks when issuing and handling cryptocurrencies, as well as the risks of ownership. The bank continued, this can lead to financial loss for citizens and to the inability to protect the rights of consumers of financial services in the event of their violation. Moreover, due to the anonymous nature of the issuance of cryptocurrency, the bank claims that citizens and legal entities may be involved in illegal activities, including money laundering and terrorist financing. Wow. They believe it's premature to admit cryptocurrencies. The bank noted that the number of inquiries from financial market participants and the media regarding cryptocurrencies has sharply increased. Recently, news on analysis by Google, which found that the number of Russian cryptocurrency-related search inquiries jumped significantly in the first half of 2017. Given the high risk of circulation and use of cryptocurrency, the central bank states, the Bank of Russia considers it's premature to admit cryptocurrencies as well as any financial instruments nominated or associated with cryptocurrencies to be circulated and used or in organized trades and in clearing and settlement infrastructure on the territory of the Russian Federation for servicing transactions with cryptocurrencies and derivative financial instruments on them. The bank also reiterated on Monday that its position regarding digital currencies has not changed from 2014 when it released an official statement warning about them, particularly Bitcoin. According to Article 27 of the Federal Law of the Central Bank of the Russian Federation, Bank of Russia, the issue of monetary surrogates on the territory of Russia Federation is prohibited, the bank describes at the time. In addition, the bank revealed that it is working with other interested federal bodies to monitor the cryptocurrency market as well as develop approaches to define and regulate them in the Russian Federation. Most operations with cryptocurrencies are performed outside the legal regulation of both the Russian Federation and most other states, the bank detailed, adding that cryptocurrencies is not guaranteed and is not provided by the Bank of Russia. Some big news. And it seems as though they want to implement it, they just want to do it slowly. They're not saying they're not going to do it, they're just saying it's too soon. So the Russian central bank has approved the first cryptocurrency exchange, but it does believe that ICOs are risky, and it does believe that it's too soon to implement digital currencies into the financial structure, but they will allow an exchange to be approved. So they're slowly implementing it into their financial structure. As the stock market is about to open in 7 minutes, people. Let's take a look at Market Watch. So right now the headline is September stinks for stocks, but this measure, the month, looks like another winner. I believe that this will be a good month for stocks. And I believe that the market will continue to rise. But let's take a look at the markets. So right now, the Dow is up 39 points, the Nasdaq is up 6 points, and the S&P 500 is up 4 points. Sorry, percent. The S&P is up 4%, Nasdaq is up 6%, and the Dow is up. Points. The S&P is up 4 points, the Nasdaq is up 6 points, and the Dow is up 39 points. So they're up slightly. Nothing huge there. Let's take a look at the U.S. markets. Why are they not showing? Well, they're predicting this is going to be another winning month, so that's good. Markets. U.S. All right. And trending tickets right now, VUZI is up 15%. And we can see how the market is reacting, and it should be opening in 5 minutes here, guys. So I'll keep you guys updated on how that goes. There's all kinds of ICOs that are opening up. Let's see if there's any new ICOs. And let's go back to the Bitcoin ticker. Now up to $4,270. In fact, let me put some music on for you guys. The mothership. 4,300. Have you guys seen this climb? What a climb, guys. My goodness, what a climb. Look at this. In the last 10 minutes, we have seen Bitcoin climb from 4,270 all the way up to over 4,320. Right now, currently at 4,300. The mothership is back. She's back. It's amazing. Don't you love the mothership? Let's take a look at some other cryptocurrencies. Still a sea of red though, guys. Still a sea of red. Everything is still in the red. In the top 10. Everything is in the red. Crazy, right? They're all in the red together. Let's take a look at the stock market. Scared to look at the cryptocurrency stocks. You ready? The first one. Boom! GBTC takes it on the chin. Down 15%. Down all the way to $679. It was at $1,000 last week. What? What? Oh, GHC taking it on the chin. DIGAF taking it on the chin. MGTI taking it on the chin. BTSC taking it on the chin. Bitcoin services down to 8 cents. Let's see the last one. This was predicted because all the Bitcoin stocks, all the Bitcoins were down and cryptocurrencies were down. So we anticipated all the top 6 crypto stocks would be down, and they are an average of 10 to 15% each as we speak. Now, is this signaling a buying opportunity? Probably. It probably is. Because we are looking at Bitcoin and it is climbing now up to $4,318. So the stocks are a little bit delayed. They're always a little bit behind of Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin goes down, they will go down. And then if Bitcoin goes up, they will typically follow it up. So we'll see. But yeah, so far, in the last 10 minutes, Bitcoin's looking strong. You can see it's come all the way up. This is the 10-minute chart. If we look at the 1-hour chart, you can see in the 1-hour chart, it was up 4,360, went all the way down, under 4,200 almost, and now it's come all the way back up to 43.15 as we speak, 43.20. Wow. And let's see, maybe I have some investments to do in Bitconnect. Let's take a look. Is there any investments to do in Bitconnect? It's my Bitconnect. Some of you guys are asking me how it is. It's at $4,180. I started with $130 exactly a month to the day. And I have earned $623 in interest so far. This doesn't include any referrals. That is my Bitconnect story. And if I click on this, and then click on that. Oh, let me sign back in. Oh, sign in. And I'm also excited because week 1 in football starts this week. So this is such an amazing week right now. Just love it. Love everything about it. All right, and the Bitconnect password is... Oh, I am at $9.31 in my lending wallet. My strategy has been every time I get $10, I just reinvest it in so that I'm literally getting investments all day long. And as long as I'm making these reinvestments at different times of the day, I'm literally getting interest at all different times of the day. So I really like it because it grows and it grows like all day long. And something about making money 24 hours a day, 7 days a week is cool. And I can really get used to it. And Bitconnect is allowing me that opportunity. And so is Control Finance. And so is Genesis Mining. Those are 3 of the best platforms that I have found that are paying me consistently. And I have a lot of other platforms which I am starting on and I'm testing and I'm getting going on that I have in the description down below. So if you guys would like to learn, please feel free to take a look at them. And hopefully those are platforms that you like as well and that you could grow with as well. As you can see here, the price of Bitconnect is $125. So Bitconnect is doing very well. The price is staying very strong. And this is the number one reason why I love this platform. Not only are they paying you interest, but they have a coin. So you can actually monitor the coin's progress, see how the coin's doing, and typically, if the coin is doing well, you know your interest will do well. If the coin is not doing well, you know your interest may struggle. So they are kind of connected in that sense. And yeah, we're looking at the stock market, we're looking at the cryptocurrency market. So we're looking at a lot of markets right now, and it's a pretty exciting day because it's the day after the long weekend. The markets have been up and down, and right now we're getting a chance to see how the markets are doing live. Now let's take a look at some other stocks. Let's take a look at a stock like Facebook? How's Facebook doing? Let's see how Facebook's doing. So Facebook is currently down just 0.5%. Traded 1.2 million shares at $171. And let's take a look at Snap. Oh, Snap's in the green, up 2%. That's a good sign. Currently at $14.56, up 2%, and traded 2.2 million shares. Snap, the stock for the millennials. I really believe in this company. I think that Snap should be trading at $50. It will be. I think I'm just ahead of my time. And I believe they will be trading at $50. It's just a matter of time. Yo, what's up, Kenny Lee? You're up early. Waking up to the markets? Waking up to some Rich TV Live or what, bro? And let's take a look at some other stocks. Let's take a look at Amazon. Amazon, $968, currently down 1%, traded 415,000 shares. It's doing okay. Let's take a look at Tesla. These are all the different stocks that I own and I like to watch every day. Tesla at $352, traded 439,000 shares. Now, a lot of you are wondering, how do you buy and sell stocks? Well, I actually have a link right in my affiliate section and in the stock section called Choice Trade. And if you go to Choice Trade, you can set up an account for only $5 a trade. Okay? And you can also go to your local bank if you're in Canada or anywhere else in the world outside of America. And you could just go to your local bank and you can set up a trading account. So easy, guys. So easy. Anybody can do it. Honestly, anybody can do it. It's really easy and anybody can do it. You wake up for BVTK and then go back to bed. I forgot about BVTK. Let's take a look. Oh, BVTK down 9% at 004 by 0041. BVTK. Let's fix this here. Let's... So BVTK, yeah, not looking the greatest so far, but it's still early. Am I going to stay hodling BVTK? Yes, because I believe that once BVTK gets rid of their stop sign, that this stock is going to explode. But currently there's a stop sign, and as long as there's a stop sign on any security, you can always expect that they're going to trade down. Yeah, Crypto Solutions was another one of those hyper yield investment platforms that went bye-bye. And that's why I said to you guys, don't ever invest your hard-earned money into any of these platforms. Always only invest as much as you can afford to lose because they're very risky, and Crypto Solutions fell in that category of very risky platforms. And, unfortunately, they did not succeed. Bitconnect has done very well. Control Finance has done very well. Genesis has done very well. And all the other links of all the other descriptions of the other platforms that you see in the description down below have all been strong and steady and have lasted. And I'm not watching or following any platforms right now that have not been successful. Buy in the red, sell in the green, take your profits and run 100%. As we see, the mothership is currently at $4,293. This is TradingView. Wow, ACMB is up 233%. Wow. At $2.49. INSM is up 120%. It's a strong buy. INSM and DALP is up 233% at 20 cents. Wow. Litecoin is at $69.78. I really like Litecoin. I don't know if I like it at these prices. I love the company, love the coin. Don't know if I like it at 70 bucks. Been buying it since it was at 40, but I haven't bought it since it's gone on its run because I'm trying to pick it up for cheaper, but obviously I don't know if it's going to stay at these levels. Yeah, unfortunately, Philip, it's, we want to identify the real platforms. Crypto Clone was a big failure. Crypto Solutions was a big failure. What I'm noticing is these platforms with these ridiculous interest rates are all scams. Okay, the ones that are like doing about a 1% a day, those ones seem to have more longevity. Anything that's over 1% or more is seemingly a scam, and we are getting hurt by those. So we're not going to be investing in any of those. What we will do is we will evaluate different platforms every day. We will look at different platforms every day, and we're going to invest in the best platforms. And then the ones that are working will be the ones that we will talk about, and the ones that are failing miserably will be the ones that we will avoid, and we will let you guys know the ones that are failing miserably so that you can avoid them as well. That's the plan. But right now, I really want to focus on, I want to load up on the good coins. The Litecoins of the world. The Ethereums of the world. The Ripples of the world. The Bitcoins of the world. Those are the coins that I'm really considering buying. Those are the coins that I'm buying on a consistent basis. Those are the coins, this is Monero, currently at $111. Those are the coins that I'm really, really liking. As you can see, a lot of these coins are trending up. So this may be a buying opportunity, but it would have been nice to buy it right here. That would have been the time to buy. At the bottom of this dip, and you look at this chart coming down, people bought it here, some people sold it here, and then it came back down again. This is a great buying opportunity right here. As you see, it's starting to climb again, and I think it's going to go right back to those original levels. But this would have definitely been, looking at the chart, the buying opportunity right there, right at these levels. That was the time to buy, right there. It's okay if you didn't buy. Don't panic. There will be more opportunities, but these are the types of opportunities that we're looking for when we're trading Bitcoin. Let's go back up. And let's see Bitcoin. And you could see that Bitcoin had the same bottom out around 4,200. And obviously we've seen it way higher. We saw it as high as 4,900 a few days ago. And now, we've seen 4,200. We even saw as low as 3,900, 3,800 apparently. It even got as low as 3,800 here. And now we've seen it high as 4,300, back down to 4,200, and now back around the number where it's at, 4,297 as we speak. I'm going to go make a phone call. I'm going to put on some music and I'll throw on some Bitcoin here for you guys. And I'll be back. I'll be back. Yeah, it's a little bit of an early day today for me today, guys, because my son's actually finishing school at 11 today, which I have to pick him up from, and my son and my daughter has school that I got to pick her up from. So I wanted to start early today because I won't be able to go live at the normal time that I do. In case anybody was wondering why I was live so early. Plus, the market's opening after a long weekend, and I thought I'd give it a look. And as you can see, a lot of things are in the red. It is a bloodbath for cryptocurrency stocks. A bloodbath. But this is a great buying opportunity. And for... let's close some of these screens. There's quite a few many open. Let's see if there's any changes in our Bitconnect wallets. Probably not, because I heard the interest was 0% today. But look at this. We are starting to see coins in the green. Look at this. We're starting to see some coins in the green. This was all red earlier. Now they are actually going in the green. We got Ethereum at 2% in the green. We got Bitcoin Cash down slightly. Bitcoin down slightly. Ripple is up 2% now at 21 cents. Litecoin is up 4.9% at $69. NEM is up 3%. Dash is down 1% at $315, and Monero is up 1% at $111. So we are starting to see some price appreciation with some of these coins, and that is a good thing coming back from yesterday's bottoms where they got destroyed. They got absolutely destroyed. Oh. The market is in the green still. And let's look at the euro versus the USD. Okay, that needs to stop. It's really annoying. Okay, enough of that. Jeez. That was extremely annoying. Looking at the euro versus the USD dollar. And looking at the price of Ethereum, 305. It is climbing almost up to $306 now. So you can see here, here's a bottom. Oh, I gotta do one for each one. Here's the top there. There's another bottom here. Here's a top here. So you could see how Ethereum has been trading. And you can see it hit 280. Then it went up to 315. Then it went back down to about 270. Then it's back up to about 300. Then it's back down to 280. Now it's back up to 300 again. So it's been doing a lot of big swings here. Now, if you're a day trader, you want to buy at the bottom, sell at the top. Buy at the bottom, sell at the top. That's how you day trade. You want to make these little spreads here. And you literally can make them all day long. And you see the line in the middle? That's your moving average. It's kind of like where it's going to average out. So it's right now where the moving average is. So it's not really up or down on the day. It's kind of right in the middle. So is it a good time to buy or sell? I definitely think it's starting to go on the way up right now, and it's following the trend of Bitcoin, which is also trending up. And if it continues to go up, well, Bitcoin's been trending up. This is the 1 hour chart. You can see that Bitcoin is trading on the high end here for the last hour, and this is where it was at the bottom. So if Bitcoin continues to trend up, then you will see that the other coins will also continue to trend up. And this is happening simultaneously as the market is also opening in the East Coast and the West Coast. People are waking up and they're seeing the markets and they are reacting accordingly. Okay. All right, people. Well, this is me for today. Just wanted to say hello, give you guys an idea of what's going on. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to give me a call. Thank you for joining me today. I'll try to see if I can come back live a little bit later. But for now, visit Rich TV Live. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the like down below and comment on the show because all I do is bring you winners.